about gold dinar. So how do you view this? Will be this physical money backed by gold or cryptocurrency? And will there be any meeting among the central banks of the Muslim nations soon?
Well, actually, we now have to use one currency as an international currency almost. That is the US dollar. But the US dollar also is not stable. Sometimes it is stronger, sometimes it's weaker. But gold has got a certain value for all countries in the world. Now, if you use a gold as a standard, which was what it was at the Bretton Woods, if we use gold as a standard, we can call our currencies by whatever name, but they must relate to the value of gold in your country. So if you know the value of gold in your country and the value of gold in the trading partner, then we know how much gold is worth during the trade. And that we can call that a gold dinar as a standard. And that is what was proposed. And I think we should study this very carefully because today we are hampered by having to use just one currency for international trade, the US dollar.
You talked this morning about the sanctions against Iran and the blockade imposed on Qatar. How do you see the continuation of this, specifically the continuation of the blockade against Qatar from 3 Arab countries?
Well, we don't believe in sanction. We don't actually point out the specific cases. But sanction is a criminal act because you not only punish the country concerned, you punish other countries as well. When they applied sanction to Iran, we lost our market, and Iran is a big market for us, and trade between us has been reduced or almost reduced to nothing. So this kind of thing can only be done by strong countries. Weak countries like Malaysia, I would like to apply sanction on Mr. Trump, but I cannot because I am a small man. But he can apply a sanction to whole countries, and we all suffer. So this is democracy at its worst. While they talk about democracy, promote about freedom of speech, freedom of this and that, they themselves deny democracy to other people.
I have a question about the views on the Malaysia as the investment platform from the Muslim countries, because a few days ago we have signed a few agreements with those potential countries in terms of the aerospace and other sectors as well. So may I know how much could be the potential value for those investment from these countries, and how do you foresee, the participants of those countries, and how do they foresee Malaysia as the investment country that they want to penetrate in the future?
The Muslim countries are very, very rich, some of them. And, but the area that they can invest in Malaysia is at the moment quite limited. For example, we can have investment in the production of defense equipment from some Muslim countries. That is one way of investment. We also need to have inflow of money to perhaps invest in property, in finance, in many other areas where those who have the capital can invest. Those countries which are poor, they should be ready to accept foreign investment, especially, of course, if they come from the Muslim countries. We are not rejecting investment from non-Muslim countries, but we feel that Muslim countries so far have not invested enough in other Muslim countries needing their investment. So we hope that as a result of this conference, many more Muslim countries who are rich enough to invest in the poorer countries. Thank you.